Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is the forecast for Bitcoin, not the daily 5-minute turbo day. This video is out for today, but here is the forecast, the weekly forecast. What's going on with Bitcoin? This is the weekly time frame, and you can see our big problems here. This green ribbon band is now a big resistance, and we are with this candle now, with this last candle here, we are fighting with the ribbon band, under the ribbon band, and this is the bad stuff we have to watch. We are for the moment under the ribbon band, or fighting with the last line of the ribbon band, and this is really bearish, guys. We need a closing candle, a weekly closing candle in the ribbon band, not under the ribbon band. We have 3 days left, and it's really dangerous. You can see also, guys, what's really important. Here was a low, here was a lower low, and now with this candle, it's the interesting stuff what's going on. Maybe on this week, maybe on weekend, we will see a lower low. It's really possible to go down from here. It's really possible. We don't see higher highs, and this is not good. This is bearish, guys. Let me show you another stuff. Let me show you the Bollinger Band. Look at the Bollinger Band. We have here a lot of space to the downside, guys, and this is also very dangerous. Look at this blue line. The blue line is on 23,500. It's really possible to make a spike down to 23,500. Why not? We are under the middle line in the Bollinger Band, and we have a lot of space to the downside. You can see my orange line. This is my big target to the downside. It's still available with 19,500, 20,000. I think 20,000 is the most psychologically important target now for Bitcoin. Why not? Why not to see a spike down to 20,000 and maybe then a big leg to the upside? It's really possible in my opinion. On the downside, this yellow line, look at this. This is the EMA 200 on the weekly, and this is on 14,000. Really low. So a lot of low targets here and a lot of resistances over our head here. Ribbon band, middle line on 45,000, and look at the blue line here on the upside, 66,000, 67,000. But we are still bearish here. Let me check the next thing. Let me check the RSI on the weekly time frame, relative strength index, and here we are. You can see we are here on 42 points. Okay, everything is fine, not overbought, not oversold. But look at this, we have to watch this line here, this resistance line. In my opinion, if we can break this resistance line to the upside, we may see a nice leg to the upside. But remember, guys, we have also a lot of space to the downside. We are not oversold here. So a lot of space to the upside. If we can, not much space to the upside, if we can break up this red line, okay, fine, we have maybe a nice long, ultra long position, but for the moment we are still under this. This is the important stuff from the RSI. Let's check the next thing I would like to show you. The next stuff that's very important. Let's remove the ribbon band and let's turn off the Bollinger Band. So here we are. And here, this is the next thing I would like to show you. These are the candles, the candlestick pattern, and we will check the identified. Here it is. So, guys, this is also very important. Look at this. If we see here a bearish engulfing or a bullish engulfing, we may see an upgoing or a downgoing price for Bitcoin. Here, bullish engulfing, an upgoing price. Bearish harami, a downgoing price. Every time you see a red arrow to the downside, it's maybe a bearish thing. So here we can see the last thing we saw here is a bearish engulfing. Now we see a doji with a little wick to the downside. It's not sure for the moment. And it is a bullish harami also, guys. If we are zooming out here a little bit, you can see it better. Let me show you. This is working. Yes. Bullish harami. Here, bullish harami, bullish harami, bullish harami. We have here some bullish signs, but we are going sideways and a little bit down. So it's not really a good thing to watch at this. For the moment, guys, they are not working really well here. We can see this bullish things and bearish things. They are not working really nice on the weekly. Let's check the daily. Maybe they are working better on the daily. I think the daily time frame is better for this stuff. And you can see it here. The bullish, it's going up. The bearish, it's going down. The bullish is going up, and now the bearish. So it's really unsure. It's really unsure. It's going sideways. A lot of signals. Every candle is a signal here, a candle. So, okay, guys, we have to forget this. Candles are not so necessary to watch. Forget the candles for the moment. They are not working really nice. What is telling us the next stuff? Guys, this is the daily time frame. The RSI is this. We have a downline. Yes, this is our downline. And you can see here, we are fighting with this downline, with this resistance line. We are fighting here. If we can spike over it, if we can break out from this, this could be a nice long position, but we are still fighting with this. What is going on with the cross, the golden cross or the death cross? Guys, I told you death cross, attention, attention, and golden cross. We saw a death cross here. And maybe we see a golden cross. No, you can see it here. Look at this, guys. The daily chart here was the death cross. The crossing of these two lines, the EMA 200 and the EMA 50. This was the death cross. Now, we have a lot of space between these two lines. No golden cross. No golden cross in the near future. So, guys, this is not nice for the moment. We are still here in the death cross. We saw the death cross and it's going down and down and down. And you can see the EMA 200 is a big resistance now. Here, this yellow line, a big resistance. As long as we are under this resistance, we have really big problems. For the moment, the price is about 34,700 and it is a really big resistance. So the RSI on the downside, maybe we are breaking out here. We can see it here. A little spike to the upside. Maybe this is not the best line here, but we are really fighting with this line. Let me check it. Maybe I can draw it better here. I'm drawing it with this highest highs here, with these points and these points. Yes, you can see it. We are really close on this line. We are fighting with this line. Bitcoin is really fighting with this line. Guys, we have to watch this on the daily. This is really interesting now from the RSI, this point now. Maybe we see a nice breakout on the daily time frame from the RSI, or maybe a leg to the downside. We have to watch it. So, okay, death cross is here. No golden cross. Forget this point. Now, let's check the next stuff. Guys, I told you, I am really watching on this support line. This one here. This is, in my opinion, one of the biggest things now we can watch. This support line. This support line, we saw a spike under this, but it is still holding. And yes, a support line is always green. So support is green and we are watching this line. And we are still over this line. Okay, this is nice. But guys, if we will see a confirmed closing daily candle under this support, we are in big problem. Bitcoin will make a big leg to the downside, in my opinion. The next stuff I can show you is this thing. We are in a parallel channel on a big downtrend here. This one here is the big downtrend for Bitcoin. And yes, we are here in this big downtrend. But guys, look at this. We are for the moment over the middle line. You can see here this big fight with the middle line here, up, down, up, down, up, down, under the line, over the line. And with this last daily candle yesterday, this was a really nice bullish candle. We are now for the moment over the middle line. This is nice. Middle line is our support, and this green down line, this support line is also our support. So we have a lot of supports here to watch on the big time frame. This is not the baddest thing at all. What's going on with the Bollinger Band here on the daily? Let's zoom in a little bit more. And yes, here we are. You can see it. The Bollinger Band here is really close together. And the next thing is this middle line. The middle line is our resistance for the Bollinger Band. And the point is about 33,000. This point, 33,000. It's the next resistance if you are watching at the Bollinger Band. On the downside, the Bollinger Band is on this point on 30,000. So 30,000, big support if you're watching at the Bollinger Band. Middle line, big resistance, 32,000. These are the big things we have to watch. What is telling us the ribbon band? We will check this here also. Here we are. So ribbon band, big resistance. Look at this, a big resistance to the upside. We saw yesterday a spike into the ribbon band, down again. Now the next try spike, the direction to the ribbon band, down again. This ribbon band is a really big resistance, and it is also like this one, 32,600, 33,000. Yes, like this. This is a big resistance for Bitcoin now, and you can see we have no chance for the moment to break through. We need a lot of volume. Yesterday this candle was perfect, but today we are going down. We need more volume here. So this is the big thing, guys. If we can break out to the upside, I can show you the big targets to the upside is the EMA 200 on the one-day time frame, 38,000. This is a big target. If we can make a nice leg to the upside, also watch this. The next line. I know, guys, here are a lot of lines, but it's very important. This is Biti Da Vinci drawing. And look at this. This is a big resistance. Why it is a big resistance, I will show you. Because of this highest point here, we have a lot of spikes to this and to this and here to this. resistance, and this resistance is now our biggest thing. If we can make a big leg to the upside, I hope so. I hope for a big leg to the upside for Bitcoin, but I'm bearish, 60-40 bearish or 70-30 bearish, guys. But if we can, we have the next thing to watch, 41,000. This is this resistance. This resistance is a really important one. Also, the EMA 200, 38,000 is an important resistance to the upside. But we need to fight over the ribbon band. This is so important now. Guys, this is the forecast for Bitcoin. This is the weekly big time frame, what we can watch, what I can tell you. And I hope for a nice breakout to the upside. But I am, as I told you, I'm not so bearish, guys. If you are watching on RSI and these things, I'm not bearish. But we can make good trades if you are watching this. Guys, you can watch this on my live stream. Here's my live stream, 24 hours, 7 days a week. You can watch this here. Ribbon band, 1 hour time frame, our triangle. Please watch my video from today, my daily update, my daily 5-minute turbo update. You can see everything for the day. Here you can see it on the live stream. Here you can large buy signals and sell signals and long and short. Here is the daily time frame on the downside. Here's the EMA 200. I showed you. Here's the ribbon band. Here is the triangle. Guys, everything you need for trading is here on my live stream. Please watch this and support your Biti. Guys, thank you very much for watching. I wish you just the best. Very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Have a nice time, and I hope we see us tomorrow on the next daily 5-minute tour update. Yours, Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye-bye.